Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device is stuck frozen. So in our case, let's pretend that this application is causing our laptop to freeze. Now the first thing that we need to determine is whether this device is frozen fully or partially. To check it, you have to use the combination of three keys, Ctrl Alt and Delete. Press three of these buttons simultaneously and you should see the following window on the following screen. Now if you see it, that probably means that your device is only frozen partially, and to unfreeze it you have to select Task Manager on the list, then right click the application that is causing your device to freeze and select End Task. Once the application closes, your device will return back to normal. Now if you weren't able to open this menu, or if you weren't able to close this application, then the only solution would be to force restart your device. And to do that, you have to press and hold the power button and keep it held until the power indicator on the front edge of your device turns off. Once it happens, wait for about 5 seconds, then press the power button once again and wait until your device turns on. Now, if you weren't able to turn off your device, then the only solution would be to unplug the charging cable from your laptop and leave it to rest until it discharges, and then power it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.